If you're trying to recover your lost data right now, you need to watch this video. And before sending your drive off to an expensive data recovery lab, try this first. You want to immediately download Stellar Data Recovery Professional to have the best chances at saving your files. Most people do the exact same thing in data loss situations. They search their PCs everywhere. They type the file name in Windows search bar over and over, they keep refreshing the drive, and they make other changes that actually lessen the chances of a successful data recovery. I'm the Don, and tech is my business. Over nearly 2 decades, I've built and fixed over 20,000 computers. So if it's been broken, I've fixed it, and data recovery is no exception. And this video is sponsored by Stellar. As a tech who's seen every scenario at the bench, the first thing I determine is exactly what kind of data loss and what kind of failure we're dealing with. You have accidental deletion, where the recycle bin is emptied, you do Shift plus delete, or you accidentally format a drive that is currently functional. And here, the files are usually still physically sitting on the sectors. Windows just erased the map that tells it where everything is located. Hardware failure, or severe corruption, and this is where you have a clicking drive, constant disconnects, unrecognized drive, or the dreaded raw format where Windows has no idea how to read the file system anymore. This can happen from virus damage, bad sectors, sudden power loss, and these are what destroy the directory structure and the actual physical drive itself. Here's the real talk from experience though. Recovery success isn't always guaranteed. It heavily depends on 3 critical factors. One is how much new data has been overwritten on the old files, the physical condition of the drive, and how fast you stopped using the drive and you started proper recovery. The longer you keep writing to that drive, the lower your odds of getting the files back. And Stellar Data Recovery Professional handles all the common faulty media types: hard drives, solid state drives, external drives, flash drives, SD cards, and more. And that's why I recommend Stellar Data Recovery Professional without any hesitation. It's built for regular people, but has the real tools I actually trust on tough jobs. The interface is clean and straightforward, and you select your file types, the photos, videos, documents, emails, archives, whatever it may be, and then pick the drive. You have a couple of different types of scans, and Quick Scan is ideal for recent, simple deletions, like a Word document or family photos that were deleted maybe about an hour ago. It reads the existing file table fast and usually puts them right back to where they belong. A deep scan is where the software shows its full power. For corrupted drives, lost partitions, formatted drives, or raw drives, it ignores the broken file system and does a sector-by-sector search using the signature patterns. And that's how it can rebuild JPEGs, videos, documents, and more. I've seen it recover data that has been completely gone. You also get a solid preview feature, so you can actually view the photos or the files and check the documents before recovering them. And this saves you a lot of time and frustration and drive scan time. And if you're dealing with a failing drive, you can use the built-in drive monitor. It not only reads the smart data for the temperature and bad sectors and the overall health, but it also makes sure that your drive is going to be functional and long-lasting. And if not, it'll give you the option to clone the entire drive to a healthy one and recover safely from that cloned drive. And that single pro step has saved countless files over the years. Data loss is stressful, but most of the time you can recover it yourself from your desk without having to pay lab prices. And stop using the affected drive right away and grab Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Choose the right scan for your situation, preview everything, and get your important files back. The link is going to be in the description down below. And from my bench, Stellar Data Recovery Professional gets my full recommendation for its ease of use, reliability, and real recoverability on everything from simple deletions to nightmare corruption cases. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more amazing tech help situations like this, and remember, the Don's got your back.